This chocolate roll recipe is the best you can find on the internet. It's so simple and very detailed. Let me show you how to do this. Hi, welcome back to another video. If today is your first time, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, thank you for stopping by once again. Into a bowl, we are going to go in with some soft flour. I'm using 3 cups of that. Then I went ahead to add in milk powder, baking powder, nutmeg, and I bring everything to a good mix before I went ahead to add margarine. You can use butter if that is what you have available. However, I prefer to use margarine because a little goes a long way. Okay, and if your butter don't have any salt content in it, you can go ahead and add some salt to it. If you are using margarine, it already has salt, so do not worry, don't add salt to it. If you add salt, it's going to be a bit salty. So this is the consistency we want, and I'm going to put in some water. I'm using cold water. You put in the water bit by bit until you achieve something like this. At this stage, you can just keep it in the fridge for about 25 to 30 minutes, but I wanted to use it right away, so it's fine if you want to use it right away. I'm just rolling this out like this, and then I put in my favorite chocolate spread. So just look for your favorite chocolate spread, put this in it just as you see in this video. You can put as much as you prefer, just do it as you see here, and roll everything over. Roll it over until you are able to exhaust everything. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Also, like, share this video to your friends and loved ones so they do not miss out on any video I post in the future. Also, you can just follow me on my other social media platforms, which will be linked in the description. All the details I used in this video and also their measurements will just be in the description as well. So you would want to refer to the description to get all the details you need to make this. So I'm just cutting them into my desired shapes and sizes. You can cut them anyhow after rolling. You can slide it a little. You can cut them like this. Now put them onto your baking pan. Spread some egg wash or milk over it. Okay, if you do not have milk, just add a little water to your milk powder and spread it over it like this. Now we are going to put this into our oven and we'll bake this. Like I said, all the details will just be in the description. So you want to do well to refer to the description to get all the details you need. And here we are. Our chocolate roll is just ready, and this is simple. I know you are going to try these, and if you try, just come back to the comments and let me know how it went. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up, commenting your thoughts in the comment section. For more videos like this, just click on this video right here to watch another video of mine. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you on the next one. Bye.